how to use Kohl's track your order piece as a guest. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to guide you through the process without logging in as a guest to track your order in Kohl's. So let's get started. So it's pretty easy. For that we can directly head over to the Kohl's order status piece. So go ahead and search for Kohl's and look out for track order. Hit enter and we'll be finding this option. We can click on this option called track your order to open up that page. And once you are headed over to that page, you will be needing two pieces of information such as your order number, usually a 9-digit number in email, and your billing zip code, the zip code used when you placed an order. And what it will do is show up the order status. You can look out for it, processing, shipped or delivered, and you can look out for the estimated delivery date, carrier, and also the tracking number. And there you can bookmark the page and save the tracking number for quick access later. If you can't find your order number, you can check your confirmation email or shipping email. And guest tracking does not require creating an account. For returns or changes, you will either need the email or the order number to create an account. And yeah, that's it everybody. For now, you can follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.